Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can build on your work plane from the center in Tinkercad. So let's get started. First of all, what you'll need to do is use a ruler. So select the ruler and go to the work plane corner and put the ruler. After that, just take a cube and basically put in the center. And as you can see, now it is not centered because here's 90 for the one side and for the other it is 89. So let's fix that and put 90. And as you can see, now you have this cube. But what we'll need to do with that cube is basically bring under the work plane like this. And basically, as you can see, lock this figure. And now you'll be able to build from the center. If you just, let's say, I put somewhere, I want to align this. I will click on Align tool, and I will basically be able to align that to the center, as you can see like that. And that will align, and you will be able to build that from the center. So again, with this figure, you can just use the ruler, and now you'll see the center and you'll be able to build from the center. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.